Hey guys, if you want to learn English from home, then Cambly is one of the best ways to do so. It's an online English teaching platform that puts students in direct contact with native English speakers. Now, the teachers on Cambly can help you to advance very quickly. However, there are hundreds of different teachers on Cambly, all with different qualifications and abilities. So in this video, we'll show you how to find the very best teacher on Cambly for you. Now, first of all, let me just say that this video is not sponsored by Cambly. I currently work on Cambly as a tutor and simply thought it would be useful for you to know how to find the best teacher for your needs. So, before considering which teacher to choose, firstly you need to understand your own goals. Why are you learning English? Are you wanting to learn English for business? Or perhaps you're at college and you want to improve your general conversational skills. Maybe you have a job interview coming up and you want to prepare for it. When you understand your purpose for learning English, you can then find a teacher on Cambly that will be best suited to help you. So let's look at an example. So this is Ali from Istanbul in Turkey. He is an engineer and he wants to learn English so that he can improve his position at work and eventually get a job as an engineer in England. Now, Ali has recently signed up to Cambly, but he doesn't know which teacher to choose. So let's help him. On the Cambly homepage, you can see a large list of all of the available tutors. Now, each of these tutors specializes in different things. Some are tutors that focus on general conversation. Some only teach children. Others focus on teaching advanced business students. So Ali needs to narrow this huge list of tutors down to a smaller list of suitable tutors. So the first thing Ali can do is filter the list of available tutors by Cambly course. Ali wants to learn English for business, so by selecting Business English, he can see a list of all of the tutors that specialize in business English. Now, if you try this, you'll notice that the list of available tutors has become a lot smaller. Ali now needs to select his level of English. Some tutors teach beginners, others teach advanced students. Ali thinks that he is an intermediate student, so he selects this option. So the list of available tutors has now become even smaller. But you'll notice that there are tutors from all over the world: USA, UK, South Africa, Australia. Perhaps we can narrow this down even further for Ali. Now, Ali wants to learn English so that he can eventually work in England. So the best tutors for him to learn with are probably British. So Ali is going to select the British accent filter. Now Ali has a small list of available British business English tutors that work well with intermediate students. But how can Ali choose between these remaining tutors? Well, Cambly very helpfully provides tutor ratings that can show how good a tutor is. The rating is based on a 5-star scale and is taken from the reviews of previous students. So I'd suggest that any teacher with a rating of 4.8 and above will be very good. Now, sometimes you may see a tutor with a rating of 4.9 and a title of Super Tutor. To achieve this title, the tutor must have a review rating of 4.9 or higher and must have been reviewed by at least 700 students. However, you don't just want to choose the teacher with the highest rating. There is no point having a lesson with a tutor that has a 4.9 rating but has an accent that you do not understand. So what you need to do is click on the tutor's profile and watch their introduction video. This will help you to hear their accent and see how quickly they talk. If you can understand them easily, you then want to check their qualifications. Their profile will tell you if they have a teaching certificate. I would recommend that the tutor should have at least a 120-hour TEFL certificate. Now you also want to consider how long they have been teaching. Cambly includes a small badge under a tutor's name once they have had 500 or more chats. So this shows that they are experienced at teaching on Cambly. Now finally, you want to read their biography. What experience do they have? What jobs have they had in the past? Cambly's tutors have had many different careers, so make sure that you find one that can help you in your job. So for example, if you are a medical student, then look for a tutor with medical knowledge. If you work in finance, find a tutor that perhaps used to be an accountant. The tutor will then be able to have conversations with you about your career and introduce you to new vocabulary that is relevant to your job. So let's see how Ali is doing. He has narrowed his selection of tutors down to just 4. The tutor with the highest rating is Teacher Frank from England, and he speaks in a clear and understandable way. He has a 168-hour TEFL qualification and a 30-hour specialisation in teaching business English. His biography tells Ali that he has worked as an engineer for 10 years before becoming an English tutor. He has over 1,000 chats on Cambly. So Ali decides to book a lesson with Teacher Frank. Now, can you see how useful it is to take your time choosing the right teacher? By filtering the options and choosing wisely, Ali has made sure that he will benefit from his time on Cambly. If you are considering using Cambly for the first time, you may want to watch our comparison video looking at Cambly versus italki to see which platform will be best for you. If you would like to improve your business English skills, then make sure you click on the link below taking you to our website where you can sign up to our mailing list and you'll receive a free copy of our ebook, How to Write Business Emails in English. So the link for that is in the description below. So I hope this lesson has been useful for you. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.